Hi everyone, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. I would love for you to join the Thrift Squad, so go ahead and click that subscribe button and you'll get all the videos and be inspired on how you can decorate your home on a budget. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and today's video I'm just going to show you my tablescape that I created using thrifted finds. Initially I wasn't going to do a tablescape, but then after I realized all these beautiful pieces that I had, and given that this was the first time we had been together as a family since COVID and after the passing of my mother, I figured I'd just go ahead and create a nice, simple but yet elegant table. Now the stemware you just saw was Lenox stemware that I purchased for 30 cents a glass at a thrift store. And then the dinnerware, which was some china that I bought at another thrift store, and the entire set was only $10. The cloth napkins were purchased at a Pieces of Time estate sale for a set of 10 for $5. The gold flatware was a wedding gift from my mother. Now I'm not a master art at creating tablescapes, but I just wanted to do something that was nice. And when I looked at the chandelier and also the flowers that was there, I wanted to do something a little more different because the flowers are always on the table. So in lieu of the flowers, I just moved those away, and then I just brought in my candelabra and some candles, and also I went outside and plucked some leaves off my magnolia tree to line the table with. And this is the simple table setting that I created, all with thrifted finds and things that I had already around the house. After seeing how lovely the table looked, I was glad that I did give myself a second thought and decide to go ahead and bring out the dinnerware. So, I do have it, and to put it to use was just a blessing. And that I had my family with me during this time, it was definitely well worth the effort that I did to create this style. I think back to when my mother had always put away the fine stuff because she said she didn't want it to get broken. But in reality, you should use the fine stuff every day or any time when you have company or even just yourself, because you just never know when you will get the chance to use it. So bring out the fine china and bring out the fine dinnerware and the glasses and all the stuff that you love, that you bought to have to entertain your friends and family with. It's always a good time to bring it out. So don't wait just for the right occasion, because you never know if you'll ever even have that occasion. We have so much to be thankful for, and I am truly thankful that my family did come and we had a wonderful time. We enjoyed our food, our meal, our fellowshipping, and just sitting back and listening to good music. It was just a wonderful, wonderful event in the midst of missing my mother. However, I know she was there in spirit with us because, number one, we served some of her recipes, and also just the family togetherness, which is so important to her, that we did that in her honor and her memory. I hope this video inspired you to create a simple yet elegant table setting on your next event or occasion or family dinner or a small get-together. As you see, you can do it on a budget with thrifted finds. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. I hope you like this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and don't forget to share. And please click that subscribe button and the notification button, so I'll see you in my next video.